Hey, aren't you tired of having the same hair inch every year? Well, I am. If you're in, then this year we'll be growing our hair healthier and longer. Let's get into it.
'Cause you are my universe, my everything, my sunset. You still give me butterflies, my lullaby. You are everything I want.
Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Si es la primera vez que ves mi cara bonita, bienvenidos. And if it's your first time seeing my pretty face, welcome to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome to my channel. For the next 6 months, fingers crossed, I will be embarking on a mini braids journey. Before I explain further, I need to clear this up. Mini braids isn't what grows your hair. Okay, your hair is growing every time. As I'm talking to you, your hair is growing. As you're sleeping, your hair is growing. As you're going about your daily activities, your hair is growing. Basically, what our mini braids will be doing is helping us reduce our hands always going to our hair or hands touching our hair, and avoiding tension both on our edges and the nape of our head. My favorite part of installing the mini braids is that it also helps keep our hair stretched. That way we can monitor our progress, our growth. Also, the mini braids would give us more access to moisturize and re-moisturize our strands individually. It'll also give us more room / access to our scalp for our scalp massages. If you have any protective style on your head, it is okay. You do not need to take it down till the end of the month or whenever you planned to actually take down your protective style. All you need to do is re-moisturize, moisturize, oil your scalp and massage gently. I repeat, oil your scalp and massage gently. We have 7 days in a week, and you can decide to massage your scalp 3 to 4 times in a week. You can start with 2 if you're super lazy like me, and probably as we progress you can extend it to 3 or 4 depending on you. Like I said, moisturize and re-moisturize. You can moisturize 3 times in a week depending on your hair porosity and your hair density. I tend to moisturize 3 times in a week. Moisture deep conditioning is a must. It is compulsory. So if you don't have a moisture deep conditioner, I suggest that you get one. Basically, what our moisturizing deep conditioner does is help add moisture to our hair strands. This is one way we can retain moisture. It also helps reduce breakage in our hair. It makes our hair soft. If you're struggling with retaining moisture, I suggest you use your moisture deep conditioner judiciously. And of course, less breakage obviously leads to length retained. Next on our list is our leave-in conditioner. I advise you get one today. A leave-in conditioner is that girl that adds moisture to our hair. It strengthens our hair and also helps to maintain a healthy hair. We tend to neglect Ayurvedic deep conditioning. Ayurvedics do is help promote hair growth. It also helps strengthen our hair roots. It thickens our hair for those who have hair thinning. Also keeps our curls pretty defined. After ADC, we go in to re-moisturize thoroughly, as well as massage our scalp with our hair oil. And these hair oil help to promote and improve blood circulation in our scalp, and the scalp is literally the roots. This is where all the new growth will be coming from. Another important part of our length and moisture retention for the year is definitely taking supplements, eating healthy, and drinking lots of water. I highly suggest that you get supplements that are rich in zinc, protein, iron, that would help improve our hair growth. And stay hydrated, drink lots and lots of water, eat your veggies, your fruits. This would also help our hair to look healthier, shinier, stronger, and of course longer, like most of us would actually want it to be. For me, the goal this year is mid-back length, and overall the most important thing or item that we need for our hair growth in 2025 is patience. If you've been seeing my previous videos, you will know that I do not stop talking about patience. If you do not have patience, then I'm sorry, retaining length this year is definitely not for you. I also need you to remember that your hair growth is unique to you and you alone. Never ever compare yourself with anybody else. Concentrate on yourself, listen to your hair, and do not forget to sleep with your bunny on. I would also highly suggest that you remoisturize your hair and massage your scalp in the morning. Doing it at night, most of us might forget to use our bunny, or our bunnies may sleep. Our products could literally be wasting on our sheet, and nobody wants that. So we want our products to effectively work. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I have a 3-month hair care calendar and a hair growth journal that I would love to share with 5 serious people. Comment length retention in the comment section, and I will be happy to share it with you. Share this video. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Cheers to retaining length in 2025. Ciao.